Hello there. Grandpapa G is back with one of the most colorful stories ever told. It's about a young man named Joseph who had a very big family and an even bigger heart. His father loved him so much that he gave him a magnificent coat of many colors. It sparkled like a rainbow in the desert sun. But as we'll see, it wasn't just the coat that was special, it was the big dreams God had for Joseph's life.
Now, things didn't always stay easy for Joseph. He went through some very hard times and even ended up in a lonely prison cell. But look at his face. He didn't give up. Even in the dark, Joseph knew that God was with him. That beam of sunlight coming through the bars reminded him that better days were coming. Joseph learned that when we have faith, we can find a reason to smile, no matter where we are.
And just like that, the dark days were over. Joseph was reunited with his brothers and his father. He didn't stay angry at them, instead, he chose to forgive and share everything he had. God had a plan for Joseph all along, and it ended with a great big family feast. It goes to show that when we trust God and choose to be kind, He can turn even the toughest times into something beautiful. Hi, I'm Grandpapa G. You can find the Amazon 99p Kindle offer right now on Amazon. Click the link in the description to get your copy.